Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix camera on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is just simply open up the settings app, and once you open it, scroll down and then find Instagram. Find it, tap on it. Here check to see if this camera option is toggled on or not. By toggling this off, your camera won't be allowed to your Instagram. So just toggle this on, and once you do that, go back and try again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply go to the App Store, and then on the search bar simply type in Instagram and then tap on Instagram and check to see if the app needs an update. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are having. Simply update to the latest version, which contains bug fixes and performance improvement. Now once you're done with that, all you gotta do is try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go back to your settings app and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and then once it loads, tap on Instagram and then tap on upload app, and then tap on upload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app, and now instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app, and once that process is complete, restart your phone and then try again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.